Are you starting a business on a budget? You can literally do it for free. My husband and I have started a couple of service businesses, so we had to figure out ourselves how to get started. We used Google Sites as our platform because it was completely free and it's for someone that doesn't have any experience at all to get started. I promise if I could figure it out, anyone could also figure it out. Because I did not know how to design a website. I didn't know how to code, or I didn't know how any of these other businesses had done it before. So through some research, I was able to find out that this platform is literally available for free for anybody if you have a Gmail account, and that's it. So I'm going to show you how I got started doing this and how we literally still have this platform today and use Google Sites without having to pay extra other than just for the domain name. So how you're going to get started is choose the Gmail account that you want, and you are going to go to Google Sites, and the first option usually that shows up is going to be the one that you need. So the nice thing is that they do have some pre-made templates and ideas that you can use, and this just kind of can help give you some inspiration to how you want to design your website. For us personally, we did go to other websites that have similar services as we offer and kind of take little things from their websites that we liked and implemented it into our website that we designed from Google Sites. You're going to click one here. Now, I know when we started, I liked the dog walker template that they had as just a base to get started. So with the header here, we do window washing. So I'm gonna put in Denver window washing. And the nice thing here is even if you don't have like professional photos of your own, you can go to select and then Google Images. You can search photos that are already available on Google. It just makes it really easy for you. So I actually like that first one. So there we go. Denver window washing. Now you don't have to keep this exactly as they have outlined, but you can use it to start out. Don't think so hard about the design yet. Just get something out there that shows the services that you offer, and then you can always change it in the future. So you can change the elements as much as you want to. You can add text, you can add images, or you can link a YouTube video. And now your footer, you can completely change. You can add in your email address, phone, you can add in a navigation bar. If you go to pages, you can add in a new page. Under window cleaning, I want to talk about the commercial cleaning as well as residential. What's nice about the Google Site platform is that it's just a lot of clicking and dragging and dropping. It is limited on the kind of customization that you can do. It is really good for new businesses that may want to upgrade in the future so that they can add more elements to it. But as a startup, this is a great platform to use, and you can always change the theme. So this gives me some nice themes and color schemes that I can just use. So over time, you're going to make updates and improve it. So don't pressure yourself like I do to make it perfect right off the bat. Your business is going to grow, and along with your business growing, your skills are going to grow to know how to build your website. All those things can come in time, but the key here is just to get started. This is going to make your business look a lot more professional, especially if you are linking a Google business profile to it. If you do not have a Google business profile set up yet, I will link that video in the description box, but also at the end of the video so that you can go to that, because that is going to be really important to boost your business as well. And then you can link this website to that so that you become a more reputable business and you can find more local leads organically. In conclusion, if you are trying to stay on a budget, you can start your business completely for free. You do not need to know any coding. You don't have to have any domain name, and it is a great tool to use that is very easy. That is how we started our business. We still use this platform for free. All we pay for is a custom domain, and that is it. That might change in the future, but for now it works for us as we are still on a budget. All you need to do is choose a theme, edit the text sections, and personalize it. Next is create a custom domain or use just a personalized domain name that connects to the Google site. And then you're going to hit that publish button and it will be live right away. Now, some bonus information is the Google algorithm likes website updates. Continue to update the photos, the text throughout each week, and that way Google knows that you are active and is more likely to send you to local customers. So that is it. Now you have a professional looking website for free, and you can just start your business right away. And this is going to help you bring in organic leads in your local area. So if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. We are a growing channel, a growing business, and we appreciate any feedback or comments that you have or questions. If you are a new business and do not have a logo yet, please check us out at MNC-Resources. We have very affordable templates that you can use to customize a logo yourself, or you can get one custom made. If you are trying to grow your business, then we do have flyer templates. And as always, I hope you and your business thrives.